River shrimp fishing for some trout.
Man, you just got here.
Yeah.
Man, let me touch your head. Big. Head.
Oh, that's bait right there. We're on a little school of small trout, and croakers and whiting right here. All this little octopus circle hook they make. A little piece of shrimp like that. It's using whole shrimp, but they just were biting the tails off, so. Oh, there we go. Something a little. Another trout. Pretty guy, but not the size we need to keep. Let's get another trout here. Boom. That's another piece of bait right there. Another little sand trout. Where's my keeper trout? Another pretty little trout guy. What do we got here? Whiting. Another little guy. There's something. Nice trout. Get that hook out of his mouth. Oh yeah. That's our best trout yet. Yeah, there's something a little nicer size. Yeah. Yep.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Carter, hold this, please. Oh. How long can it survive outside of the water?
A few minutes. I'll get him back in real quick. Oh. Puffer fish. And green eyes.